What's up, guys? Tongue up. Welcome to my channel. So this is a Kubota tractor I picked up recently, and the tires are weather, and the back one's a little better. Got some like cracks in them, but the front ones, they are the worst. So I'm gonna replace the tire and the tube, and also these tubes in here, they leak air. So that's the reason I gotta replace them. I got this one out already, ready to change out. So after removing all the air out of there, you do need a tire bead breaker to get it, the tire off the rim. And this is an old rim and tire, so probably the original one that came with the vehicle, and basically rusted, and I worked pretty hard to get the tire off the rim. And I made this Harbor Freight tire bead breaker onto this post right here, so it'll stay still. And so let's see if we can try to get it off. Sometimes it slips. Just keep working at it until it comes off. So I went ahead and made this angle lean toward me a little bit. See, that helped prevent it from slipping. I think that did it. Yep. You can see some rust on the rim. Alright, separated on both sides now. Once the beads are broken, you need some of these tire changing to get the tire off. And first you want to spray it down with some soapy water. This is an old tire, so it might start to crack. And also, there's a possibility this rim right here, it might bend slightly when I try to get the tire off. But it's okay, you can always bend the rim back. Once you get the this size of the tire off, we can go ahead and remove the tube. Try to get all the air out of the tube, otherwise you might struggle to get the tube out of there. There's still air inside. I removed the valve stem already, but it's still air inside. I think there's a hole in the tube here, I think, because the tire keeps getting low on air. Look at all the rust on the tube. Let's see how crusty the rim is. Flip it over. Get a big hammer, just smack the tire. Should rip right off. There you go. Yeah, this tire is I mean, it still works, but it keep leaking air. Here's a nail right here. Yep. Got a set of new tires. These are 7/16, and got new tube for it. But before I install new tires and tube, let me go ahead and clean up the rim and give a coat of paint on it. Alright, I got the thing cleaned up, painted, and maybe put back the new tire. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and put the inner tube in there. Going to air it up according to the manual. 7-16 tire size. Need 36 psi. Just make sure your rim is centered with the tire before you put air in it. A little too much. $35.8, good enough. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful on changing your tractor tire. Thanks. Catch you next time. Bye.